Birds of Arunachal Pradesh, Mishmi Hills, Part 2. Morning, we went to the Jia Grasslands. These are huge elephant grass and reed beds. This is where we were on the lookout for a globally threatened bird. With all our leech guards, I am wearing these leech guards for the first time. On the lookout with all ears out for the rare bird, the Jordan's babbler. Of course, it's not a sharp picture. I am not a photographer, but you can make out the lovely grey head and the yellow eye ring. Look at it stare. I am very, very rare, it says. I am found in these type of elephant grass and reeds only, endemic to Arunachal. We saw the yellow-bellied prenia. I have uploaded one YouTube of it singing on the reed beds as well. Enjoy that later. After this little walk, we went to this place where the drinking water project. We parked the car outside and we went up to this little water body. We waited patiently for different birds to come up. There surely the striated babbler showed up. Look at its angry little look. But they were in about 7-8 in pairs. It's posing nicely for a good picture. We went up from here on a little bridge where we saw the pied kingfisher. On the opposite side, oh my God, the black-breasted parrotbill. See my black ear patch, and I also have a black breast. A very, very pretty bird. It also prefers reed beds. Oh, it's nesting time. I'm so happy looking at them doing the courtship display. Just while we were enjoying this, we saw also the orange neck. Oh, what a beautiful neck. It is. The chestnut-necked laughing thrush. They too were enjoying a courtship display. I have put this also in a video later on. Post-lunch, with a quick lunch, we went to Tiwari Gao. Beautiful banana leaf. I had to put this here. The striated bulbul. See the striations? The streak-breasted scimitar babbler. It just gave a flash and ran away. Mountain tailor bird. Is it not different from the common tailor bird? See my orangey head. It's totally different. And it prefers the undergrowth. It also has a little bit of orange vent. Oh, and the secretive yellow-throated fulvita. Look at my yellow eyebrow with black borders, thick black borders. Such a wonderful bird, amazing sighting. Coming up soon, part 3 of birding in Arunachal Pradesh.